Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where, for some reason, your Snapchat application and the messages you're sending are just not being read by the other person. So, in this case, if I ever sent out a message to somebody and let's say I don't know them, I just say hey or whatever, right? I send it over, I'll basically get this little thing up top that the message is never going to be read, that it just says something like delivered. Now, the message still has a chance of being read, but in most cases, what ends up happening is that if I don't know the person and or they don't have me added, they pretty much won't be able to go ahead and see that message. So this is probably the most basic way to go ahead and see if you're in this specific situation. If your messages are just not being seen by the other person, that means they haven't seen it and or they don't have you added. Now, there can also be a little pending little option right next to it. So it can say something like, this little arrow, then it'll say delivered. If it says delivered, then that may mean they have you added. They just haven't swiped in, clicked into the message, and seen that message yet. However, there can be some situations where they don't have you added. So that is pretty much the main thing. If they don't have you added, you're not going to be able to see them. So you want to make sure they accepted you as a friend, you accepted them as a friend, vice versa, and then you should be able to see the messages at that point. If for some reason the messages are not being seen still, and you are pretty much guaranteed you both are friends, maybe they haven't gotten a chance to view it. That's another very common thing. But you can also go ahead and update your Snapchat application. So make your way over to your App Store or Google Play Store, click on search, and all you want to do here is go and click on something like Snapchat. So in this case, you can just type in Snapchat like that, click search, and what you can do here is you can update your Snapchat application. So go ahead and click here, type in Snapchat or just update Snapchat like that, and this will probably end up fixing the situation as well. On top of that, what you can do is you can delete these applications and reinstall them. So if you go through and you're able to go ahead and actually install applications, what you want to do, delete Snapchat, reinstall it, and that may end up working as well. So those are pretty much the main ways to fix this situation. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.